gotta say it. You can get a taste.
Good morning, you guys. So today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to do box braids. Probably, I don't know if I want to do medium or small, but yeah, it's gonna be called how to do box braids. So yeah, it's gonna be my first attempt, so I'm kind of nervous because I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So I'm gonna show you guys what I had brought. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I had brought from the store, from the beauty supply. So I had brought Blue Magic, and this is the type of stuff I grew up on when I was little, and for some reason I don't know why I stopped taking it, but yeah, it smells really good. So I'm gonna start using what I used to use back in the day. Yeah, 90s babies. And I got the Aussie. I use this for detangling my hair, whether I'm in the shower or out of the shower, or just like a wash or go, or sometimes I use this yeah, just to randomly detangle your hair. So this is pretty good. It's always good to detangle with this. So okay guys, so I had got rubber bands, EBS fashion rubber bands in the color black, 1000 quality, and they're size small. Yeah, size small, and it says new and improved. Yeah. So I'm so excited. Like, I really hope I can learn how to grasp the hair and add it to my natural hair, because honestly I don't really want to blow out my hair because I haven't washed it or detangle it. So yeah, I don't want to have to do that process. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try to braid the hair in its natural state. So yeah. So yeah guys. Oh, and let me show you what else I had got. I had got also the Jamaican black castor oil styling gel. I've never used this, but I don't know if I should start using everything Jamaican, because it's like, even though that's like my heritage, but I don't know, I'm gonna try it out. It says alcohol free, non-flaking, and maximum hold. So it says IC is this Fantasia? What? Anyway, yeah, so this is the brand, and I'm gonna, and it smells really good, and this is what it looks like. So I hope it leaves like a clear finish on my hair. And yeah. Let me show you the other thing that I had got. So this is the beauty supply cards, and I also got hair beads. I don't know. I'm gonna try to practice on how to do it. Hopefully it won't be a hard challenge. I got the smaller beads just because I feel like it might look better. So yeah. So stay tuned. I think the first process is I'm gonna try to plait the hair, or like break it down in sections, and then after that I'm gonna try to you know what, maybe I should show you guys the hair extensions. So I'm gonna find them and I'll be right back. Okay you guys, I'm back, and I'm gonna show you the hair. I have so many, man, and like I've never used them. So wow, I hope that it's still good, because I have like probably like what, 6 packs or 5, I don't know. But the expressions hair that you get from your local beauty supply, and in the color 1B, that's gonna match my hair. And yeah, so I'm trying to debate if I should cut the hair. I don't know how long I want it to be. Maybe I should. So we're just gonna try to attempt to do my natural hair today. So you guys, I'm so excited. This is me opening the package right now. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it because I don't think I want them too long. So yeah. do this without cutting the hair. Woo! Okay, you guys, so excuse this ghetto comb, but I'm gonna section off my hair. I don't know how many parts or sections I need. And honestly, I think I might try to do them small. So I don't want to get overly excited. I just want to attempt to do it. So yeah, this is what we're going to work with. Yeah, so stay tuned. Some things I might do off camera. And then I'll show you guys the rest. Okay, so I don't know if you're gonna see my whole head, but basically you get the point of what I'm doing. So but I really tried. So comb the hair a little bit more. So I hope I did a good job. So I haven't really looked at it yet, but I tried to section it off as good as I could. So yeah, I know I twisted it because later on I'll know like which section to add the hair to. So yeah, so this is what it's looking like, and I have to do this part too, but yeah. Okay, you guys, so I just did 2 braids so far, and it's pretty good. The only yeah, this amount of hair is all you need. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys that how many did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 and what is it? Almost 2 hours? Almost 3 hours? Like 6 to. But I think I'm gonna probably take a break because I'm hungry. But it's not bad actually. Imagine when I'm finished, like. But yeah, I am so happy. I wish that some of them like was able to wrap around the rubber band to make it more like seamless, but it's my first time, so it's okay.